Understanding voluntary mediation, a key to peaceful resolutions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into an interesting and highly relevant topic: voluntary mediation. Whether you're navigating personal relationships, workplace disputes, or international diplomacy, understanding this concept can be incredibly useful. So, let's break it down together. Mediation is a process where a neutral third party, called a mediator, helps people in a dispute communicate with each other to reach a mutual agreement. The key here is that the mediator does not make decisions for the parties involved. Instead, they facilitate discussion, helping each side understand the other's viewpoint and find common ground. It's all about communication and collaboration. Now, when we say voluntary mediation, we're emphasizing that participation in the mediation process is entirely optional. No one is forced or legally required to mediate. Both parties must agree to it willingly. This willingness to participate is crucial because it sets the stage for a more cooperative and productive dialogue. Remember, the success of mediation often hinges on the participants' commitment to finding a resolution. Why opt for voluntary mediation? There are several compelling reasons. Confidentiality. Unlike court cases, what's said in mediation stays in mediation. Control. Parties retain more control over the outcome, rather than having a decision imposed by a judge. Cost-effective. It's generally faster and less expensive than going to court. Preserves relationships. By promoting understanding and cooperation, mediation can help maintain or even improve relationships. Voluntary mediation can be useful in a variety of situations, from personal disputes, like disagreements between neighbors or family members, to professional conflicts, such as labor disputes or business disagreements. If you find yourself in a situation where communication has broken down, proposing mediation can be a constructive first step. To initiate, you can contact a local mediation center or seek out a mediator who specializes in your type of dispute. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of voluntary mediation and how it can be a powerful tool for resolving disputes in a peaceful, respectful manner. Remember, choosing to mediate doesn't mean you're giving up your rights or opinions. It means you're open to dialogue and finding a solution that works for everyone involved. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and growing.